want to know what's crazy is there's a lot of stuff coming up this month, and I'm currently shooting this. I just finished filming another video that I am trying to have go out on Sunday, and today is Friday, but you're gonna see this video Saturday, May 2nd. My level of commitment for this week is utterly ridiculous. So this month is EDC, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not EDC as in everyday carry. If you came here for that, it's the wrong video. It's not everyday carry. It is Electric Daisy Carnival. And it is this month, and today, as of April 30th, yesterday, I finally got the tickets in the mail. After waiting after waiting a year and then announcing at the beginning of April, they finally came April 30th, and I'm making this video to do an unboxing April 1st. So, let's go. If you do not know what EDC is, again, it's Electric Daisy Carnival, and I went to my first one last year. It is a 3-day music festival. It was nothing but stages and music and all the things for 3 whole days at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Last year was my first one. If you didn't see it, if you're new to the channel, whatever like that, I always take people on my adventures, and last year was the first one. I did an entire 3-day video, and then I did one full video. It's probably like an hour, so you can watch it on like a long road trip or something like that. And this year's the second one. This is my second one I'm going to, and it is meant for me to go out in style this time. We upgraded the tickets from GA Plus to VIP this year, so hopefully that's a good experience. Tickets are paid for. The shuttle experience was pretty good last year, so we are doing that again this year, and I'm just excited and just ready to go. Tickets showed up, and I want to do an unboxing with y'all today, but at the same time I want to do a comparison for the tickets this year versus the tickets last year. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. If you saw the unboxing, I really didn't do an unboxing. Last year I just like filmed the stuff already unboxed, but today's a proper unboxing today. So out the packaging, and boom, that is the EDC box. The EDC box, if you cannot see, I'm gonna raise it up a little bit for you right here. EDC box, Electric Daisy Carnival, right there. Electric Daisy Carnival, not everyday carry. So again, if that's what you think this is, that's the wrong video. Starting with the opening of the box, you got the cover, and that says Insomniac. Those are the people that put the events together. And then Las Vegas 2026 right here. Hopefully you can see it. And then what else we got? We got the little flower on the bottom right here. And that's pretty much it for that. But inside the box, you have, well, before you get inside the box, it's all psychedelic. It's got this little keychain right here, and I actually think that's part of the inside of the box. But let's open the box right now. Let's see what's in it. So right here it says, all are welcome here. Has the headliners. Headliners being you, the people, or us, the people that are actually attending. I like to play on that because that is something that is, I want to say that's unique. Again, this is only my second festival, but I never heard anybody call the people that attend their shows or whatever the headliners. So I thought that was cool when I first heard that. But it tells you we spent 30 years under the electric sky and what an adventure it's been. Essentially, this is the 30th anniversary of EDC, and it's been from LA to some other places. Now it's in Vegas, and this is my second year here. So 30 years, I figured it was gonna go out with a bang. Inside the box, these are the VIP tickets. It says celebrating 30 years under the electric sky, if you could see that. Hopefully you could see it. Then you have, oh man, these kind of collectible cards right here. They are magnetic, appear to be. Focus. I'm gonna be doing a lot of focusing, bro. Again, guerrilla style, bro. This is, you know, in the back of a car. So, EDC, May 15th, 16th, 17th, Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Those are magnetic. These are some packs with some stickers and all kind of goodies inside of there. We love goodies, so come back on there. We love goodies, so you know that. And then some more goodies. This box is really all about goodies, to be honest with you. It's really all about goodies. You know what I'm saying? You got the EDC stuff, the Insomniac stuff, you got the flower stuff. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with none of that stuff. You got two of those because it's for two. Keychain. This is a little bit different than the keychain I had last year. And it says EDC right here on the side. It says Insomniac on this side. You got two of those. I don't really know what these packs are. They are not open. But it says Insomniac celebrating 30 years on the electric sky. So it's called the electric sky. And then this is the book for over the past 30 years. And then that's it. Let's put that back because from what I have seen from the one last year, the biggest part of the packaging is always the, move that out the way because I think it's always the opening of, sorry, it's always the opening of the book, which is here. So that is the 3D opening of the book. It has all your EDC stuff right here. It's like a little pop-up. This right here has your plur on there. If you don't know what plur is, it is peace, love, unity, respect. It's plur. And this little thing right here kind of makes it turn, which I like. I like that little, sorry. I realized y'all couldn't see that, so now we turn it. Peace, love, unity, respect. That is fire. That is fire. So that's a quick story and the unboxing of the EDC 2026 tickets. I will do a full unboxing when I get to EDC and get settled in the hotel. But in the meantime, let's look at the comparison of the one for last year. So let's close this up because I brought that. Close that back. And then we will take a look at the ticket box from last year because, again, like I said, that was the first year and I had never been to EDC a day in my life. This is the ticket box for EDC 2025, my first one. This one, I want to just say the excitement level when I first saw this, it was kind of unbelievable because I actually did not know I was going to EDC. So I'm going to just throw that in there for, you know, the people that need to know that. But this is the EDC box. It's on the top to bottom versus the left to right on the new one. And then inside of here is, oh, this one says Kinetic Metropolis, which is one of the stages that is in EDC. It is called Kinetic Field, and it's probably, not probably, I think that's the largest stage they have there. It's really one of the hardest ones to get in there. if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you didn't see it, I have a whole video where I tried to get in kinetic field last year, but whatever. And inside of here, you had kind of similar stuff. These your stickers, which you can see I have not opened these from last year. This is your lanyard with your pass to get on the shuttles. The shuttle experience last year, I heard a lot about the shuttle experience. It was fire to me. I ain't have no issues on the shuttle, and that's why we decided that we are going to do the same thing again this year. But these are your passes. Passes for the shuttles for this year are actually inside of this pack, and for some reason they sent these first. I don't know why they sent these first, but that's how they look this year. So the pickup is at World Market, same place it was last year, World Market Center, and then that's pretty much it for that. But you have that. Then let me put this back up underneath here. Then this is your booklet for last year. Basically shows all of the events and things leading up to EDC for last year. And this is the pop out for the book for last year. So that is EDC. I want to say this is Kinetic Field. That's the pop out. EDC 2025, my first one, and that's it. That's it. So I'm excited. I'll give you a more in-depth look later, but I just wanted to do this quick unboxing and comparison just to kind of see the differences between the two, and just kind of show y'all the differences between the two too, because I know a lot of people that are subscribed to my channel have never seen the EDC videos, or probably never seen me before, but this is it. This is my next adventure in the next few weeks. And as long as the Lord grants me life, I will be there. And this is gonna be probably a reoccurring thing as long as I choose to do it. So, all right, that's gonna be it. Let me know what you think. Which one is better, 2026 or 2025?